Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Muhammad Suhail Panawala, and today we are going to discuss about improvement projects. I don't want to go in detail about the improvement projects, what is improvement project, and why is it necessary. Just briefly, I go through this discussion that when we are working in an institution, whether it is a healthcare institution or any other institution, we see the standards, and when something is deviated from the standards, and we notice that there is deviation, we try to correct this deviation, and this correction leads to the origin of the improvement project. For example, when there is a patient coming to the ER and this patient is received by the doctor, the time taken by the doctor to see the patient and from the door of the hospital to the to see by the doctor, if there is a standard benchmark, if this standard benchmark is deviated, then we have to improve this. How we can improve this? This is the part of the improvement project. So, when we are going to start an improvement project, first we have to find a problem. Now, we don't say this is a problem, we say this is an opportunity for us to get this thing corrected or to improve this uh, clinical pathway. So, for example, if you want to start an improvement project, you have to find a problem for which you devise an improvement project. Now, if I find a problem and I want to make an improvement project for this problem, first we know what are the standards for this problem, and then we, after improvement of this standard, we bring this problem after correction to the benchmark. Now there are some steps which we have to take care of for making an improvement project. Improvement projects cannot be made overnight. We have to plan it, we have to give them some weeks, months, or sometimes it is about 6 months to 8 months or a year. So, when we have an improvement project, first we have to make the problem, we have to see the problem and make a monitoring tool to see that how we are improving. And when we will monitor this, who will monitor this? What is the core team to be involved in this project? What are the roles of the team members in the improvement project? Who is the data collector? Who will analyze the data? Who will consolidate the data and present it in a presentable manner in the different templates? What is the method of doing an improvement project, whether Kaizen or uh, Focus PDCA? So, when we plan to start an improvement project, first we have to find a problem, and for this problem, we find that this problem is deviated in this manner according to this benchmark, and how we will monitor this. Then, in the meantime, we make a team, we do the meeting, and we start monitoring it, and we see the improvement is going on or not going on. And before starting, our action plan, we will find out with the root cause analysis means that what are the main problems which are preventing this clinical pathway to come to the standard benchmark or to fulfill the standard. And during the course of the improvement project, we will try to improve the things which are coming in the way to prevent the standards to be fulfilled. And if the project is about for 6 months, then every month when we are monitoring, we do the meeting, we involve the stakeholders, and we see the progress. So when we are doing the focus PDCA, you find an opportunity, organize a team, and clarify the current process, understand the process, make the solutions, and then we'll start a cycle for PDCA. We will plan first and try to implement, start this, doing this. What is the plan? Then we check this plan is working or not, and we make an implementation during the plan, during our working. And at the end of the project, when we achieve the required results, we will make a sustainability plan also, that how we are going to continue this action plan so that at the finish, after the finish of the project, this standard will not be deteriorated again, or it will not deviate from its benchmark. So don't think overnight that we'll sit and within 2 days, 3 days we'll make a project. No. If you want to start a project, make it a project, find an opportunity, organize a team, make the monitoring tool, make a coordinator which collects the data, somebody analyzes the data, then start a PDCA cycle, see the progress of the implemented steps, and then involve the sustainability plan also. I hope that this discussion will help you a lot in starting the project, completing the project. It is a very big discussion about each and every individual steps. So for now, we will end this talk that first you have to find a problem or an opportunity to start the project. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.